Today, we're diving into the world of sustainable solar energy solutions with the PowerRack by PowerField Energy. PowerRack is renowned for being the simplest, most efficient ground mount solar racking system on the market. Whether you're setting up a permanent installation or need a portable solution for events, PowerRack has you covered. Let's get started. The PowerRack is a groundbreaking product in the solar market, being the first to simplify the racking system significantly. What sets it apart is its ground mount rack with a curved base design. The unique curved bottom of the PowerRack enables precise alignment on uneven ground, allowing two racks to support a single module without the need for leveling. Alternatively, the rack sharing method, where two modules share a single rack to reduce the number of racks required, necessitates a level ground to ensure all modules are installed in a consistent, level plane. Exciting developments are on the horizon with flat rooftop versions and different pitch options coming soon, catering to various installation needs. With the current PowerRacks, modules are mounted in landscape orientation at a fixed angle of 25 degrees. This version that we have today is designed to accommodate slopes of up to 10 degrees in any direction, effectively mitigating risks such as sliding, tipping, and flyaway, the main concerns related to wind. While wind testing has been limited to this slope tolerance, the racks are equipped with treads on the bottom and can be secured with ground anchors for added stability. Each PowerRack weighs about 17 pounds and is made out of fully recyclable high-density polyethylene, ensuring durability and environmental sustainability for up to 40 years. What's fantastic is that you don't need expensive materials for ballast. It doesn't need to look pretty, it just needs to be simple, readily available materials like dirt, sand, gravel, or whatever you have laying around from your last project will do just fine. The PowerRack integrates clever design with functionality, featuring a trough-like handle for optimal cable management. Best practices suggest laying a fish line or home run line along this tray at the start. Each kit from Signature Solar comes with 4 components per rack: 2 extender clips to be used for modules over 39.8 inches wide, 2 locking clips, and the necessary bonding jumpers matched to your panel count. Each rack can accommodate a minimum module width of 37.8 inches. While we are talking about design, the PowerRack comes equipped with pre-made holes that, while not currently in use, are designed for potential future enhancements such as RST sprinkler systems, mounting mechanisms, or security features. It's important to note that creating additional holes or modifying the PowerRack in any unauthorized way is strongly discouraged. Doing so not only risks compromising the structural integrity of the rack, potentially leading to stress cracks or fractures, but also voids the warranty. These racks, engineered to last 40 years, currently come with a 10-year warranty. By respecting these design specifications, customers ensure the longevity and effectiveness of their solar installation. PowerField Energy believes in this product so much, they are even working on getting this warranty extended to 25 years. They're not there yet, but that says a lot to me about what they are working towards in building a great product. Before installation, it's essential to conduct a ballasting analysis. This analysis will determine the necessary weight for each PowerRack based on your specific location, specifically its topography and wind speeds. This will provide detailed documentation, including an engineering document that specifies how much ballast material you'll need, ensuring your installation complies with local regulations and maintaining optimal stability. Step 1. Set and space the PowerRacks. Start by making the start and end of your rows according to the layout design. Place the PowerRacks along your marked line at the spacing determined by the length of your solar modules. It's crucial to ensure proper alignment from the get-go, which can be aided by using a string line, chalk line, or edge form. If your system design includes underground cabling between the row ends and combiners or inverters, you can address this before or after installing the PowerRacks and panels. Often, it's more practical to dig the trenches once the racks are positioned and aligned. Install the conduit in these trenches, placing risers at each row's end. Cap them temporarily at ground level to protect against damage during the ballasting of racks and panel installation. It's recommended to keep the trenches open until after the inspection is complete. Step 2. Fill PowerRacks with ballast material. Fill each PowerRack with the ballast material. The required amount is indicated inside each rack, tailored to your specific wind speed and geographical needs. For large-scale installations, consider using machinery like side discharge buckets to expedite the process. However, for smaller setups, shovels and wheelbarrows will suffice. Step 3. Mount PV modules on PowerRacks. With your racks in place, it's time to mount the PV modules in landscape orientation. This step is best performed with 2 people, one on each side of the module to ensure stability and alignment. Before placing the modules, consider your wiring strategy. All wiring should be completed by a licensed electrician to ensure safety and compliance with local regulations. You have the option to complete the wiring after all panels are secured on the racks, or to simplify the process by connecting wires as each module is positioned. If you choose the latter, connect the wires before securing the panels. Our team found it beneficial to have a set of 7-foot PV wire extension cables on hand during installation. These aren't always necessary, but they proved useful in a couple of ways. First, when you're new to purchasing PV modules, it's not always clear how the cables are attached or the length of the attached wires. Since the panels need to be installed in landscape orientation, and we weren't sure if the cables would be attached to the short side of the panel, the extension cables ensured that our wires could reach the neighboring panel. Second, the color-coded red and black cables simplify the process of connecting our panels in series. By preparing the cables alongside the module mounting, we could easily verify the polarity, connecting the red cable to the positive side and the black to the negative. This setup allowed us to visually confirm the polarity and effortlessly link our cables in series as we added each module. To mount the modules, start by placing them on the shallow extended tabs at the higher side of the PowerRack. The shallow tabs will slide right inside the frame on the module. For modules larger than 39.8 inches, first install the extender clips on the larger tabs with the holes. If installed correctly, these will snap into place. Then, gently lower the module down onto the extenders, ensuring it is securely in position. Step 4. Install sliding retainer clips and locking keys. Secure the modules by installing the sliding retainer clips. Slide the clip under the module frame on the lower side of the module. Then press and pull it out until it snaps securely onto the frame. Next, insert the locking key to ensure the clips are firmly locked in place. Step 5. Install DynoRacks bonding jumpers. Once all the keys are securely locked in place, you're set to begin the grounding process by installing your bonding jumpers. Position each clip halfway between 2 modules, attaching it first to the underside of one module's frame and then to the next. The clip's teeth will slightly scratch the frame's surface, creating a firm bond essential for effective grounding. If you're using the rack sharing method, longer bonding jumpers are available for purchase to reach across the racks. Once all your modules are securely locked in and each one has been properly bonded for grounding, you're well on your way. Remember, while you have successfully completed a significant step by preparing your system for grounding, the system is not yet fully grounded. There are additional steps to complete the grounding process, which are crucial for the safety and functionality of your solar setup. If you've gotten this far, congratulations! You've just nailed a major step in getting your solar system up and running. Thank you for joining us today. This system is not only robust and versatile, but also caters to DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Remember, whether you're at a residential home or powering a concert, PowerRack is a solid choice. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below or visit us at signaturesolar.com. For more products, installations, tips, tricks, and insights into your solar journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get all the latest information. I'm Kelly with Signature Solar, where we believe that solar is for everyone. See you next time.